Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm here with Dell at IFA 2019 presenting our new XPS lineup of products. So we'll start here with our XPS 13-inch clamshell. This is the XPS that you all know and love. It's still the same beautiful design, same look, but we've made it even better. It's the perfect balance of portability and performance. And so with that, we've actually added the new Intel 10th gen processors, and we have the new killer AX1650 card on the Intel 6 Wi-Fi chipset. So great performance there. That new killer AX1650 is up to 3 times faster than the previous generation of products. And so now we're moving on to our XPS 13-inch 2-in-1. This product was announced at Computex back in May, but it's now available for purchase, so we're very excited about that. It has our latest Intel 10th gen processors, the 10 nanometer processors. It also has a bunch of great stories. So we have a best-in-class display here. Our display is really amazing. We have a 16:10 aspect ratio, which has almost 7% larger screen space than before. So really, when you look at this display, you're getting a beautiful screen, large screen, really to enjoy all of that great content. We also have optional 4K UHD Plus displays, and with that there are a ton of great features. So we have a 90% DCI-P3 color gamut and a 1500:1 contrast ratio. And what that means is that you're going to get really vivid, beautiful color with stunning clarity. These displays, these optional 4K UHD Plus displays, are also HDR400 certified and Dolby Vision certified. And what that means is that your colors are really going to pop. Your brights are going to be even brighter, your blacks are going to be even darker. So just really amazing color experience here on this display. We also have eye-safe technology on this display, which helps protect against potentially harmful blue light emissions. And so it tackles that problem really at the source, dispersing and reducing that blue light across the color spectrum, again, to help protect against that potentially harmful emissions.
Dieses Video wird euch vom JBL Flip 5 präsentiert. News und Tests zu JBL bei Harman Produkten findet ihr in der Infokarte.
In addition to our beautiful display, we also have 2.5 times the performance in an 8% thinner form. So really the problem that you can run into when you have great performance in such a thin device is making sure your thermals can keep up. So we have a lot of great innovations on this device to ensure that your thermals will always be up to speed and not affecting that performance, that you're going to have the great performance that you expect from an XPS. So we have dual fans and an ultra-thin vapor chamber, and these are really going to help maximize that heat flow reduction, again, and keep your device performing fast. We also have Gore thermal insulation, which is going to dissipate that heat, and we have a great ability for this device when you open it to a certain point to kind of prop up a little bit and maximize that airflow circulation underneath your device. So all of these great thermal innovations to make sure, again, you have that awesome performance in a really thin device. We also have, of course, this being an XPS, exceptional build quality and premium materials. So this device is made from machined aluminum, which means the body is cut from a single piece of aluminum. So you have a really strong, really durable device. We also have our beautiful, on this device, woven white glass fiber palm rest. On our other platinum silver device, we actually have a black carbon fiber palm rest. And so these palm rests are going to be light, but they're going to be durable. Another great thing that we've done with this device is really focused on all of the small details to make your experience amazing. And so we focused on these experiential aspects. So things like the keyboard. We have a next-gen maglev keyboard. It's edge to edge. Your typing experience is going to be softer. It's going to be quieter. We've also increase the size of the keys, and so they're even bigger. They have a new, more modern font. So again, really focusing on all those little details to just have a beautiful and amazing design and experience. We also have a larger keypad. It's 19% larger than before. Again, really maximizing the experiential elements of the device. And so both of these devices are available now. Our XPS 13-inch starts at $899 in US dollars, and our XPS 13-inch 2-in-1 is starting at $999 in US dollars.